So being a hair editor, I get to learn a lot about Australian women and their hair concerns. And the most common concerns that we come across are hair loss, hair thinning, and hair breakage.
Yeah, I mean, even myself, I've had a baby and I noticed a lot of hair thinning after she was born. And there are a lot of women in my mother's group who have suffered from hair loss since pregnancy. But then again, on the other hand, I also have a couple of friends who haven't had kids and they have hair loss at a young age and they're really embarrassed to talk about, and they don't really know what products to use or who to even see about it.
Right, and it can actually be caused by a number of things, like things that you wouldn't even think. It might have been something that happened months ago. So it could be things like poor diet or stress or hormonal changes,
or some
pregnancy,
medication.
some medications. Yeah. It can be a number of things, and it can be something that happened a while ago and then you only start seeing changes after a few months.
So obviously there are loads of styling hacks that can help you with the appearance of thicker, fuller hair. But I've heard that to really promote healthy hair growth from within, supplements are the way to go. So now this is a brand that has recently come across our desks and I've heard that it's the #1 hair growth supplement in the US.
So Viviscal's dietary supplements are scientifically formulated to help promote healthy hair growth from within and also to combat against hair loss that might already be occurring in your hair. So they contain a special marine protein complex called amino mast C, plus they also have a blend of different nutrients and vitamins.
I mean, yeah, I'm reading on the back here and I can see vitamin C, zinc, iron, biotin, vitamin B3, so it sounds like it's got heaps of vitamins in there.
Yeah, loads, and all of those work together to help promote that healthy hair growth from within.
Okay, so in terms of the dosage, I mean, do you take 1 a day? Do you take them every day? How
so you
does it
take
work?
2 a day, and you've got to take them for at least 3 to 6 months to really start seeing results. Most people will sort of see some results after about 3 months, but you do have to give it at least 6 months to get that full result of
So you do have to be patient.
You
it's
do
not
have
a rush
to be patient.
job.
It's not, but it's so worth it.
I'm definitely going to be sharing this information with my mother's group as well as some of my other friends who are suffering from hair loss and thinning.
Definitely.
So thanks, Kate.
No worries. Thanks, guys. And if you've had any hair loss or any thinning hair concerns, let us know in the comments below.